Okay, my boyfriend's gonna do the cinnamon challenge. So, how much is that? How much do you have? Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3. You can spit it out. You can't, but you can if you really need to. No water. Holy crap. Okay, so there you go. Cinnamon challenge. Say thanks for watching.
My stomach feels all
Okay, thanks guys for watching.